Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ligem classes. In this video we are going to solve some MCQs on Portuguese. As you may already know this, Portuguese were one of the colonial powers that entered in India. Now before we solve the MCQs on Portuguese, let us know how we can reach to this MCQ section. Now there is something I have to tell you. You really don't have to watch this video. All you have to do is approach the MCQ section and you can straight away solve these MCQs. It's pretty much easy. So let me just show you how you can reach the MCQ section, and this is how you do it. First of all, you have to go to Ligem. Okay, so obviously ligem.com, and here you will find RRB General Awareness. You click here and you click on the English medium. You click on the English medium. And this is RRB GK syllabus. We have polity, we have history, geography, science, and economy. So we are going to the history section. You click here. And obviously, we are just constructing the section that is modern history. Rest of the sections, even like the polity, geography, science, and economy, they are not updated at this point. Give it 1 or 2 months and it will be updated. Okay, but at present, we are just going to work with modern history. So let me just click on modern history. Okay, so in modern history, we have to figure out where is our MCQs on Portuguese. Now remember this, the MCQs on Portuguese will come in this part, chapter 3, Advent of New European Powers. Okay, Advent of New European Powers. So you click here and you will be directed to the MCQ section. So let me just show you the MCQ section. Okay, so as you can see, this is the MCQ section. And let me just start solving all the question. Now we have the first question. Who constructed the fort of Anjidива? So who constructed the fort of Anjidива? It's a very simple question. It was constructed by Francisco de Almeida. Now Francisco de Almeida was one of the Portuguese governor generals. So the correct answer is option A, Francisco de Almeida. Okay. Now the second question. This Portuguese governor adopted the blue water policy. Again, this is a very important question because this policy was adopted by again Francisco de Almeida. He was one of the greatest governors of the Portuguese colonial rule in India. So the correct answer is option D, Francisco de Almeida. Where did Vasco da Gama establish the first Portuguese factory in India? Now the first Portuguese factory in India was established in Kerala. Now we do have choices like Trivandrum, Alleppey, Cochin and Madurai. So the correct answer is Cochin. It was in 1503 when the Vasco da Gama established the Portuguese factory in India. So the correct answer is option C, Cochin. Okay, so the Cape of Stone was renamed as, now remember this, earlier when the Portuguese sailed from Portugal, they crossed the Atlantic Sea. After that, they went at the tip of the African continent. So that tip was called as the Cape of Stone. And when they transversed it, when they passed to the Cape of Stone, they renamed it as Cape of Good Hope. So the correct answer is Cape of Good Hope. Who was the first Portuguese viceroy? Again, this is a very important question and a very easy one. Now, of course, Vasco da Gama reached India and in 1503 he established a factory in Cochin. Okay, but after that, the first Portuguese governor or the first Portuguese viceroy was Francisco de Almeida. Again, Francisco de Almeida, option A. When was the Portuguese factory established by first Portuguese factory established by Vasco da Gama? The first Portuguese factory established by Vasco da Gama was in 1503 and it was established in Cochin. This is a very important question. Now the second factory was established in 1505. It was in Kannur, again a place in Kerala. Okay. The first European powers to arrive in India. Now the very first European power to arrive in India was the Portuguese. So the correct answer of question 7 is option D, Portuguese. When did Vasco da Gama reached India for the first time? Now Vasco da Gama reached India for the first time in 1498. And when he reached the shores of Kerala, he was welcomed by the ruler of Kerala, that is Zamorin. So the correct answer is 1498. Who conquered Diu? Now, Alfonso de Alberic actually conquered Diu from the Gujarat king as well as from the king of Egypt. Now, what happened is Gujarat and I'm sorry, the Golconda king, the Sultan of Golconda, and as well as a powerful ruler from Egypt, they actually made an alliance against the Portuguese, and the Portuguese defeated the Egyptians as well as the Golconda king. So the correct answer is Alfonso de Albuquerque. He was the one who defeated both the Egyptians as well as the Golconda king to get due. The second factory established by the Portuguese. Now remember this, it was established in Kannur. The first Portuguese factory was established in Cochin. The second Portuguese factory was established in Kannur. So the correct answer is Kannur. Who was the first European to reach India after traveling the Atlantic Ocean? Now this is a very important question. Okay, so the first European to reach India after traveling the Atlantic Ocean was Bartholomew Diaz. Okay, so the correct answer is Bartholomew Diaz. Okay, who transferred the Portuguese government from Cochin to Goa? Now, what happened is in the later stages, the Portuguese power waned. So that is why one of the reasons Portuguese actually transferred their power from Cochin to Goa, and the person or the governor who responsible for this transfer was Nino de Cana. So the correct answer is Nino de Cana. When did the Portuguese first time reach the southern tip of Africa? It was in 1487 when the Portuguese reached the southern tip of Africa. Later they renamed it as Cape of Good Hope. Earlier it was known as the Cape of Storms. So the correct answer is 1487. The Portuguese king who gave blessings to Vasco da Gama. It was King Manuel I who gave the order or the blessings to Vasco da Gama that he can go to a trip to India and make friendly relationship with India. Now, not just friendly relations, they also wanted spices, and also they wanted to extend Christianity in India. So the correct answer is Manuel I. Who is also known as the navigator? Now this is a very important question because Prince Henry is also known as the navigator, and unfortunately he just wanted to figure out not unfortunately, he wanted to figure out an important way, easy way from Atlantic to India. Unfortunately, despite his best effort, he died before discovering. But he is also known as a saint for many, and the answer is Prince Henry, who set up his headquarters in Cochin. Now, the Cochin headquarters was set up by Alfonso de Albuquerque. Okay, so Alfonso de Albuquerque was one of the greatest generals, greatest governors of the Portuguese colonial presence in India. So he established many places, many forts, and one of the most important place was in Cochin. And he later established a headquarters in Cochin. After that, you should know that by Nino de Cana, the headquarters of Cochin was later shifted to Goa. So the correct answer is Alfonso de Albuquerque, the second Portuguese traveler who visited India after Vasco da Gama. Now, the second Portuguese traveler who visited India after Vasco da Gama was Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Okay, Pedro Alvarez Cabral. So the correct answer is option A, Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Okay, when was the Portuguese state in India established? Now, in 1503, after the establishment of the first factory in Cochin, the Portuguese also decided to establish a base or a state in India. And it happened in 1503. It was done by Vasco da Gama, exactly. So the correct answer is 1503. Then we have the 19th question. The Portuguese defeated the Egyptian king and the Gujarat Sultanate at this battle. I'm sorry, earlier we have mentioned it as Golconda Sultanate. I'm sorry, it is wrong. It is actually Gujarat Sultanate. And they were defeated at the Battle of Diu. Okay, so they were defeated by the Portuguese at the Battle of Diu. The Gujarati captain of Vasco da Gama who piloted the ship that reached India. I'm sorry, here again we have some error. Piloted the ship. It should come piloted the ship. So the correct answer is Abdul Majid. Okay, so the correct answer is Abdul Majid. He was the Gujarati captain of Vasco da Gama who piloted the ship which reached India. So the correct answer is Abdul Majid. So we have solved around 20 questions. So let's have a look how many of them are correct. So let me just click on finish. So we have 20 out of 20 correct answers. So we have solved 20 questions and out of 20 we have got all 20 right. Excellent.